What's up, guys? This is Brendan with No Limits Off-Road. Today on the channel, we're going to be working on the 98 12 valve, pulling the engine. I also got a buddy's truck. We're going to be just doing an inspection on it, and I also got to work on my snowblower, so it's right here. I guess you guys can't see it, but anyways, well, let's get started. Alright, so we got the snowblower here. It's got a couple of problems, some fuel line issues. These bolts right here, they're a little loose. Got some other bolts that are loose, but we just need to make it run a little better. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and get this thing fixed. Fuel line put in there. Got starter bolts tightened. I had to replace one bolt. Those bolts are tight. So just gotta put all the covers back on. See if she runs. Alright, so we got my buddy's 24 valve here. He just wants to go through it, see everything that's wrong with it. Sounds like maybe a boost leak, maybe some mounts loose or something. We're going to go through it, tell him everything that he needs, and send it back to him. Here we go. Alright, we're going to show you guys what we got. So the old carrier bearing. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but so we got that. Here's a bit of a leak on the transfer case. Also, over here, and right up here, you can see right there, got a bit of a boost leak there. It's been rubbing on the fender there, so. Outside of that, typical Cummins oil leaks everywhere. Some maintenance things. Put an air filter in it. Change some fluids. I think he'll be good to go. Get this one out of here. Alright, so we got the 98 here. The 12 valve. Should have started filming a little sooner, but oh well. I'm gonna work on pulling this engine out. I've got mostly everything. Exhaust is out. Obviously the whole front clip's off. I guess the front support and everything. Just got a few things, fuel lines and stuff back there. We're gonna take off a couple things underneath. We'll work on getting it out. Well, we got the starter out. So, just continuing away. The plan for this truck is we got compounds coming, injectors, governor springs. I've already got AFC Live on it. Fuel pump, dampener, cam, fix all the oil leaks. I mean, you can see here, just covered in oil. Typical Cummins, just like the last one I was just working on. Fleece coolant bypass. We got all the good stuff coming. So, let me know if you guys want to see anything else. If you guys want to follow this build. I've also, obviously, hence the name of the channel, I've got K5 Blazer. I'll show you guys that out here. Yeah, we got the Blazer out here. It's on 40s, tons. A lot done to it. And I've got a 2014 JK. 37s, stock axles, it's Rubicon. Also got this CJ5. Probably gonna build that one for my kid. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna keep working away in here. Get this engine out, and then probably the next time you guys see this thing, the engine will be out. There ain't much to video on it. I've got fuel lines, motor mounts, and you know, that's about it really. And then we're gonna clean up the engine bay, tear the engine down. I'll video the engine teardown process. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Yeah, so we got the engine out. The next thing is we're gonna disassemble the engine up to a point. I'm not gonna pull rods, mains, pistons out or anything, but I will take oil pan off, P pump off, all of the all the front cover, all the accessories, everything's coming off, turbo, manifold. Yeah, basically everything except for the lower end. Then we got just a mess in here to clean up. So we're going to do that also. And then we will put it all back together. So on the next episode, you can expect to see, we'll go through the disassemble process. I'll try to do a better job of videoing. Still trying to get used to video and everything. But anyways, there she is. Catch you on the next episode, guys.